I think I put my headset, so I hope you can hear me. So we are saying that we have this order block right here pushing prices higher. Orbit. This is an order block, and then we have this fair value gap that is getting filled. This was a void. This was a void from here. This was a one-sided delivery. That's why you can see price is coming to fill it to the brim, all of it. So at 9:30, you can see price has stacked this fair value gap around here. So this fair value gap is getting filled, and then we also have, yeah, that's the only levels that I can see. So price will just continue going higher, possibly. And then we also have the previous day high around here. So we shall wait and see what price is willing to do. So checking 50 minutes time frame, price is delivering with a lot of aggressiveness. So I think on 50 minutes, there's nothing on 50 minutes that could push prices lower apart from the high time frame key levels. So, okay, football sphere. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Football sphere. Yeah, so we've reached the 0.75 level. So and then when you check 1 minute time frame, price has gone aggressively to the buy side. So you know the drill. If you have the price rushing like this, you cannot buy, you can only wait for a sell to come and fill this void. So yeah, let's wait and see. So this void has been filled completely to the brim. So we were targeting it as a target. We are having it as a target. I think this was a mitigation block that was currently here yesterday. Yesterday, yes, this is a mitigation block. This last sell candles before aggressive buy. But I think it also took out this buy sell liquidity. So this one is an order block. Yeah, I don't know if these are equal highs. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure if these ones are equal highs. No, no, this was actually an order block. These are order blocks. All these that you see here, because there's liquidity that was actually taken out. So also the last buy candle before an aggressive sell that took out liquidity. Price has got a reason to sell from there. So we just have to wait for the right time to look for sell. Okay, good. So let's wait and see what we have. Let's be patient. So if you have to take a buy continuation, it is from a 50 minutes key level. It is from a 50 minutes fair value gap, 50 minutes. So let's just wait and see how. So let's wait. I think price will come all the way and take out this buy side liquidity, which also has the all-time highs. The all-time highs is around here also. I think we are reaching for the all-time highs today, possibly. And mark the all-time highs right here. So remember, when you take out the all-time highs, it's not just so automatic that you sell. It's not a must that you sell immediately. No, the price you might have to wait for price to show the willingness to actually sell, rather than just rushing to sell. So I don't think I can consider these weeks for now because this is not a very significant key level. Unless a very significant liquidity level has been reached, like all-time highs being taken out. Yeah. So we wait. Waiting is the drill. You have to wait. So you see all this. I think also on 1 hour. Uh-huh. This 1 hour 4 hours. I think we also have this one will be a void that will come and target possibly on Monday or even today. Yeah. So you can see prices moving aggressively to the buy side. Edu, shout out to Edu. Shout out to Edu. Savage K rapper. Adaya. So we're still waiting for price to take out the all-time highs. So you can see price is actually bought with a lot of aggressiveness and giving us the unfilled fair value gaps vibe. You know the drill. Once we have those unfilled, we target them as we use them as targets. We use them as targets. We use them as targets. So let's see. Use them as targets. We use them as targets. So let's wait and see. I sometimes when price comes to the all-time highs, I'm not very I don't sell very fast because I do not know the intention of price. But when you see this one, you know that the price will come back here. Either way, it will come all the way down. It might not necessarily be today, but it will come down. And so you can be sure if we get a sell setup, that will give us something like 300 pips. So it's going to be very aggressive because of the unfilled fair value gaps. Just know that. So we are just waiting for price to come and engage the time highs. So it might not fill the void entirely today. Just know that. But because it's the all-time highs, when the price is on the all-time highs, when you short, you might not be very lucky. You know. It doesn't short just automatically. So we're just waiting. We are waiting for the price to come all the way up to here. So how many pips is this? This is 130 pips. So let's continue waiting. I don't know if price has taken out the previous day high. I think it should have, or maybe not. Yes, we are taking out the previous day high right now. So once you take out the previous day high, you can consider that one as a liquidity level. If price doesn't want to come for the all-time highs. So yeah, PDH. So if it takes out that previous day high, I can try to short maybe. I think it has tagged that level. It has not swept. You see, it has not swept the previous day high. So I think it's gonna come and take out the high, and then. But you see, the market will do whatever it wants all the time. So you must think it's gonna take out the all-time highs, and then it gets to do. But it has left some equal highs around there, so it might come and break them, and then you can short. So yes, always tricky to short at all-time highs. Yes, that is true. That is true. That is true. So we have that void. We gotta use it as a target. But until then, the only liquidity level we have is this previous day high. Then right here we have the all-time highs. So PDH previous day high price is coming to hunt that. Then we have the ATH right there. So let's hold up. Let's be patient. Let's wait and see what price is going to do on that level. So we've taken out the previous day high. This is beautiful. Let's see if we can take out the all-time high. So the previous day high has been taken out. So if you check how price has been behaving around the all-time highs, it's been getting support. I mean resistance from these levels a lot. So that's why I'm looking at the previously high, and then I can mark these as a fair value gap as the previous area of, we have this as an order block now. This is an OB right here. I told you getting setups is not difficult, but the most difficult part is being when it comes to executions. You need to have mastered yourself, you know. Savage K rapper. Niaje do. So we have the previous area of support, which is this fair value gap. This is what you refer to as advanced market structure shift. So if price violates that fair value gap, you can call it an inversion fair value gap, and then use it short. Let's wait. So we wait. The price is going for the all-time highs, as you can see. All-time high. Lazima ugongwe bwana. Usipogongwa unataka nani agongwe? Kwani si stop loss yako ndio take profit yetu? Wewe ukitaka kugongwa, unataka nani agongwe? So let's see how this works out. So you can share this link with a couple of friends that you have, maybe, you know, if you want to trade. So let's see. Price is wanting to invalidate this fair value gap. So we'll have it as a then this is the first attempt. So if this attempt fails, we can wait for the next attempt at the all-time highs, as you can see. So what are you guys planning for the weekend? What are you planning for the weekend? So the major as the that I was loving, I know you can't relate today. If we sell, man, we're gonna sell up to down here. Just brace for at least maybe 300 pips if that happens. So, but if you continue buying, this is a stop hunt inside the key level. This is that also. If we should continue buying, and so and if it closes below here, this is going to be up. Uh, an inversion fair value gap. So yes, the price wants to close below, and then we can do the first attempt to short. So if that candle closes below, we're gonna short it because the macro is here. As you can see, we will use this as our stop loss. The stop loss is quite huge, so you might want to wait for. It has not closed below yet. It has not closed below yet. I want you to know that it has not closed below yet. It has not closed below yet. It has not closed below. Once it closes below, you can use this one as a. So you're gonna use this as a inversion fair value gap right there. So the price is closing. It doesn't want to invalidate that fair value gap. I don't know what's up. So them all jokers in the no, you can't win today. Spinning back to front. Get to the boat, be like me. So Mohammed the lead, you wanna get some carry late today. It has not closed below. Just know that it has not closed below yet. Until when price closes below, that's when we're going to use. That's when the fair value gap will be an inversion. So until then, so let's wait. Price is not closing below, as you can see. Yeah, there. Hello. So you can see the fair value gap has not yet been violated. So we cannot use it as an inversion yet. I hope you can see what is exactly happening. The candle did not close below. So if you got in, you're getting cooked because price has not yet formed an inversion fair value gap. So you can see price is coming for the all-time highs now. So see, this was just a damage. So if you got in without the candle closing below, getting cooked as we speak. So, so let's wait and see. Uh-huh. You're taking out the whole time, the highs. We're taking out the highs now. So now I can delete this one because it has not been activated. The inversion has not yet come. Please, can somebody tell me that they have not put that trade because the inversion was not yet not very good. Hey, unanibambaga hii community. So, I actually sikuwa nifanye live streaming vile nimekumbuka nikaona watu wanao story. So Collins Omondi. I've not seen Collins Omondi before. Drakar is locked in. It's good to see you, Collins. So yeah, wacha tungoje tuone kama ita deliver. So we're coming for the all-time highs. So this is the game of patience. I hope hukuingia. Sababu ngojangi. Ai, jameni. Hiyo trade haijaform inversion. So hakuna vile ungesell. So we've taken out, so I can, yeah, the fair value gap is still here. The order block has managed to push prices higher. So we are tracking the all-time highs now. We are going for the all-time highs as we speak. The previous day high was here. Then, then the all-time highs right there. So we are a couple of pips to the all-time highs. This is from here to here is 50 pips. I think it's gonna deliver up to there. So Edu. I hope we can get because your trader is a form. Si unaona haijaform inversion, imefanya damage lakini haijaform inversion fair value gap. An inversion fair value gap has not yet been created. That was just a fair value gap. What price was actually doing was testing your patience, you know. Yeah, that's the thing, man. So your price wants to do an inversion without taking out the one-time highs. It is very tricky. But let's see, we shall see what will happen. Jamani, wachaneni. So, as much as I would love to sell, I don't have a logic here. The all-time highs has not yet been taken out. Fair value gap. So yeah, the all-time highs has not yet been taken out. Let us see. Nijue naona nyota. Hebu tuambie kama unaona nyota. Jameni, jameni, unanibamba. I think price has formed an inversion fair value gap. So, but I'm not thinking. I don't know if it, no, it has not yet formed. Not yet. So the problem now it gets tricky. Price can reverse from here without taking these all-time highs. It happens. I've seen it happen a couple of times. You know, I've seen it happen many times actually. But now the problem it's quite tricky because so the best thing you can do is once it forms an inversion, you can do the first attempt, and then if it takes you out, you can do the second attempt after it takes out the all-time high. But for safety purposes, you might want to wait until it takes out the all-time high. Yeah. So nani anabai mzinga leo sasa? Football sphere. So yes, usibai mzinga leo sasa. So price imeclose below. So this is an IFG. So I don't know. Which do we have news today? Yes, please. Let me see. Do we have news? I didn't. Well, Nani, buy Mzinga. Out for a news at 10. We have news at 10. So this is pointless. We might not get into this trade because of news. News are coming in 3 minutes. So yeah, let's just assume this for now. Let's just write the inversion Cavalry Cup. But remembering we have news at 10, which makes today a low probability day. Not today, just this macro. See macro. So yes, the inversion Cavalry Cup was created, but we have news in the next few minutes. So as you all know that's what against. So you don't want to be trading news, especially if you're having a funded account. So yeah, that's what I'm telling you is a low probability because of the news that are coming up. I didn't remember to check. So the IFVG did not price. So you have to wait for news to come out at least so that you can see where to exactly go. Let's wait and see. But this week has I've delivered a lot of pips for you guys. Nimewajenga mapips mingi sana. Nani anafaa was fair. Kwani wewe ni stingy hadi hata usikuwe stingy. Si tuna contribute. Mimi natoa pips, wewe unatoa mzinga. So we are reaching out for the all time highs right now. Tunafika kwa all time highs right now. So the news are coming out in the next 1 minute. Petroleum. Petroleum is high. So yeah. No, ni prelim UM. Consumer sentiment. This is just a sentiment. In the next 50 seconds, we're gonna have the news coming up. We'll pick up yeah. So waiting for this all-time high to be taken out, and then you can share it. Mimi pombe hata inifanya nikuwe mgonjwa. That's really. Sasa nisipokunywa pombe, nani atasupport hizo watoto hawa? Watoto wa hawa si wenyewe. Hiyo biashara yao mtu anauza pombe. Nani atafanya nani atalipia watoto wake? Sio pesa yake. Hmm? Hakika haikukuwa pombe. Kitu ilikuwa imeniaffect ni allergies. Hadi sasa niko nazo hizo allergies. Sio pombe. Hai pombe na hizi kana nikuwe mgonjwa. Ile siko na nadhani pombe. Nilikuwa nadhani nimemaliza mwendo. Hakuna mwendo nimemaliza. Sasa mimi nangoja niambie kitu kama hebu paste. Niambie ni paste. Nicheze kiwewe. Kisha alafu tutafute mtu mwingine wa kununua mzinga next. Ile ikuwe siku yako. So we are waiting for the all-time highs to be reached. You can see all-time highs is coming. We're coming for the all-time highs. All-time highs incoming. In the next one, candle like start to the all-time highs is the major liquidity level. People, everybody has got orders here. Everybody has got orders here. The all-time highs has been reached. So you've reached the ultimate profit of the buy. We've delivered the liquidity around there. So we might maybe want to see a stop on happening, or we just want to short. So this is the most premium order block. Last sell candle before a buy that got the all-time highs. This is an OB right here. So let's wait and see what price it will do. If it will create, if it will do a stop and wait and see. Mi nilikuwa naongea bana, mi nakwambia hizo ilikuwa maladizo sijui nini, nilipona bana. Sasa hapa mi natoa setup kila siku, lazima watu wachange hata stima ya KPLC hapa bana. Yadudi anatununulia simu next, alafu mwingine atununulie bando, na mi naleta setup. Ndio. Shida ni eti hakuna mtu anataka kufanya, sababu kila mtu anataka, hakuna mtu anataka kufanya. Nobody wants to do anything. So you might want to see a stop hunt around here. I want to see if we can get 300 pips. So this order block right here, so you might want to see a stop hunt happening, then you can look for setup now. Is it okay to sell after the all-time highs? Hii sio ni kidogo. Si mimi nakwambia when you sell from the all-time highs, it's tricky. The market doesn't work like that. Sell from the all-time highs, this is just probability. Like we're just using the probability. Shorting from the all-time highs inakuanga noma sana, inakuanga very tricky. Trust me. It's najaribu kutafuta logic. Unaona? Because me personally siwezi kwambia the price came all the way from here and I didn't catch the trade and then I go catch a trade from huku juu. Z. Sasa I'm not looking for buys because price just went aggressive. This is an overbought market. So ukianza kubai huku juu inakuwa noma. Hata kama unataka highs. But if price was from a 50 minutes key level, let's say a fair value, like now this one that we have, we'll come back here. We can now at least buy from here. So that's what I'm saying. So time highs can be taken out, and then we can now target this 50 minutes fair value gap, and then now continue buying. See, because all time high is this break of structure happening. Let's see. Let's wait and see. This one forms a breaker. Then we can see. Edu, hapa ndio mambo iko sasa. Hii hata stop loss itakuwa kubwa. Lakini ujue ni noma. Stop hunt haijafanyika. There's no stop hunt that has happened. So let's wait and see if the candle will close below. Let's wait and see. But ni kidungi inakuanga kidungi mostly. There's no stop hunt yet. No stop hunt yet. So we've closed below. Normally we should sell from here. That's how we do it. We can wait for a retracement. Remember the stop hunt has not yet happened. So the trade is low probability. But let's just wait and see what happens. I'm just trying to look at it. Shorting from the all-time highs is risky. You know that. You know that very well. I'm not telling you to put a trade right now. I'm just trying to follow the logic, doing fast attempts. Nobody should put this trade because it's because of there's no stop hunt that has happened. And once we don't have a stop hunt, the trade becomes low probability. But if the stop hunt might happen here, we might stand a chance to get a good trade. Okay? I want you to understand that very well. No stop hunt yet, but we have a breaker. So if there's no stop hunt, then it's tricky. I'm just putting that short position there to see if just to see the first attempt works. Yes, exactly. That's what like unajua. Ball pia naye tumemwitisha pesa mzinga akanyamaza. Si unaona sasa stop hunt imefanyika. Yeah, so no stop hunt. So you see now, without a stop hunt, trade becomes low probability. So sasa at least hii setup itaform next inaweza make sense. Acha tuone, acha tuone. Maana without a stop hunt, the trade cannot become low probability. And then again, shorting from the all-time highs, bwana, you will cry. It's tricky, very tricky, very, very, very tricky. Shorting from the all-time highs is so now I can delete this one, not stop hunt yet. Football spear, but I was serious. Usinyamaze, usihepe, usihepe jameni. Sema kuingilia sana. So we have this one now as our order block, but just know shorting from the all-time highs is very tricky, very, very, very tricky. As long as you understand that, then you. But I'm going to mark this one as my order block. Whatever will happen. Yeah. So this is the last sell candle before aggressive buy that took out there that did the stop hunt or buy side liquidity was taken out. So this one is an area of support. Wazee wamesema hiyo ni kwa makali. Kwa hakuna uongo, hiyo ni ukweli. Na nikuulize Tony, ni wewe ule mse tuko tunaongea naye since 2023? Is it the same Tony we used to trade with? Like there's a small group I used to have. Are you the same Tony we used to talk with? Because 2023, is it 2023 or 20, because I still used to trade this market. I think is this the Tony that trades Euro USD? Euro USD. I don't remember. I don't know. I don't know. Ulikuwa umeka DP ya chains. You don't have the chains. Something like that. Kwani watu wa forex wanakulanga wameelewa wewe mzee? Jameni, uko funded, uko funded. Umekuwa funded, uko funded next. 21 days bana, mnangoja hadi 21 days. Si muachane na hiyo funded next mfanye proper mingine. Mnafaa mlipo na 2 weeks at least. Ni kama tutapata hii sell basi. Sell tutapata. Hii sell ni kama tutapata saa hii. Because price iko all time highs vile tu tulisema. When at the shorting from the all time highs is tricky a lot, you know. But I'm trying to follow the logic. Because hata nikiamua kudandia hii buy, hakuna vile unaweza kudandia hii buy unless inatoka kwa 50 minutes key level. Mm. Wow. Si atulangi omenawe mzee. Unless utupeleke huko wakalusi ututishie nini nini ile kama wakalusi. Hizo masamaki kubwa kubwa. Hizo za kupakia. So let's see. There's no trade that I've actually put. Mimi sijaweka trade yote hadi saa hii. Kuna trade nimeengage. Kuna trade na engage. It's not a must for me to put any trade, especially after having a very good week. You know? But if that price sells at whatever time it will sell, trust me, you will get 300 and above pips, 400 pips. Yeah, so I don't think you're going to sell because also the 950 macro is gone. Uh, wazito bana, naona tu wana nini, kuna kitu ya maana hapa. Hata tuseme next week wazito hapa, sio mimi macro 950 ndio naona. So I set up acha ningoje kiasi. So tulisema short from the all time high ngori yashaambia. I don't think I'm going to. So I think we'll just call it quits.